You stopped eating the treat.
And lots of
He's eating the treat. I put treats in there.
Oh.
in Norway, as in the rest of Europe.
Rainy turns already.
Yes. Get it, Rainy. Get it. Get it, Rainy. Look at Ruger. Get it, Ruger. Get it.
For helping people,
Get it, Ruger. He's all the way in the bag.
and for children. For most of us, it's just a handy excuse to steal.
Get it, Ruger. Get it. There, he found another one. What'd you find? Another Santa?
Extends even to the departed. Candles flicker in graveyards as
Get it,
families
Wilder,
remember
get it.
lost loved ones. And
What'd you
all
find in
over
there?
life,
More treats. There's more
large
treats.
churches just like this, as choirs
You want me to just dump them out?
to the concert.
Or do you want to just go in there one at a time? Now, you want more? Here, honey. Go in there. Get it. Look, Walston. Brady's halfway in the bag.
You ought to get a picture of her, Sharon.
He's got it.
Oh,
This congregation always presented as good as ever.
Brady's in there finding treats.
Has she eaten them all up?
Probably.
Oh my goodness.
Ruger got one.
How many are left?
Should I dump them?
Yeah. She's gonna
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Here, Ruger. It's a treat.
Oh, it's in there, Rainy. Is it meat treats?
Oh, there's the treats. I was looking for them. They were in here.
A common theme across culture is a legendary gift, not always back and go.